boy. Hey, boy. Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, come here for a sec. Let's cruise over this way. Come here. Come here. Hey, come back over here. Come on, bud. Come on. Okay. Where you going? Huh?
You cruising? Huh? Where you going? You go back over to your high chair? Excited about that? Alright, let's walk over here once. Come on. Come on, bud. Look at one hand, you're doing it. Keep going. Good boy. Good boy. Keep going. Let's get you all the way over here. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, cruise over there. Meanwhile, keeping us energized, Ramsey. Hi. Look at your brother. He's walking over there again.
Daddy, can I take a video on your phone?
Hold on, sweetie. Cairo. Cairo, can you wave? Hi. Can you wave? No? Go tuck himself behind this magnet board. There he goes. Bye-bye. Cairo man. Hey. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there, buddy? Duh, duh. Duh, duh. You can come back out now?
Look at your big sister.
Here I go. Here I go, Daddy.
What are you gonna do? You gonna spin? Woo! Be careful. That's a really good spin. Okay, Carol, come back over here, bud. Or are you gonna keep making your way over there? Huh?
How about me, Daddy? Me again.
Okay, I got ya. Pretty. Pretty. Is that your new favorite spot, bud? You like getting stuck back there, don't you?
Daddy, how about this? After you do this, Daddy.
Somersault? Woo! Good job.
Watch this now.
Good job. Careful.
Watch.
I think I'm gonna have to investigate this more at school. It's Sid the Science Kid, weekdays on PBS Kids, or watch anytime you want at pbskids.org. What is the Good Egg Project? It's America's egg farmers who feed millions in need. It's families who are active in their communities, and it's kids who learn the value of nutrition.
Hey, bud. Carol. Hey. Let's come back out now. Come on.
It's fun to stay in shape.
You stuck?
Foods of every shape. Proud sponsor of Sesame Street, United Healthcare.
Yeah, little drama queen boy.
Daddy, are you Carl's little thing again?
Hold on. Trying to get him to walk a little bit.
I got TV
There you
on
go.
Daddy.
Get those little legs moving. There you go. Cairo, come here. Cairo. Cairo, come here, bud. Come here. Good boy. Come this way. Good boy. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, that was Kyle's little thing.
Time to dance.
Can I do Kyle's little thing, Daddy?
Yep, just a second.